You got two inputs, XLR or Type C. We're going to use the Type C for us. This is if you have a podcast or mixer, you could set up. Also, they have little mixers they sell separate too. So they also have that too as a unit, as a separate unit. So we're going to use Type C. We're going to see how well it works. But if you want fast, instant communication back and forth to your system, it'll be XLR. All right, so we're going to use it. I like the size of it compared to the last one I have. And I'm going to show you two different sizes on it. All right. All right, and setting up these microphones, if you guys can see, I like this. It has stabilizers, opening and closing it, so you can actually grab onto the microphone. Different sizes that you could set up. All right, so right now it's for the larger one. We're going to remove that one in a bit right now so you guys can see the difference. Pretty much the same angle as the other one. It's not going to come on film, which I'm going to remove this one in a bit, but I just want you to show you guys how it works. All right, this is the microphone setup right now, if you guys can see. We're going to change the microphone to the other hand, all right? I like it. It's just the thing is I already have my setup properly set up before. All right, so this is the actual microphone we're going to be using right now. I'm doing a live stream on the actual video so you guys can see it, how it sounds and how it looks. Now, one of the great things I like about it, the setup, it's get up and go. It's perfect for those that are doing content created. Like I use my table here for content creating. I do live streamings. I do podcasts. For podcasts, it's a different moment. So I use more filters because if it's outdoor and people that you don't know, maybe distractions, it's best to add all these filters in here. But when I do self evaluations of devices or hardware products, I usually go bare bones and I manipulate the changes under my actual audio interface. Now, one of the great things I like about this is that this microphone has all the filters you need, all the setup, a long Type-C connection, so you could get up and go. You could connect this on any laptop, any desktop, as long as you have a Type-C interface. Now, I like the actual arm itself. It's one of those things that you could pretty much set up in any desks. And then one of those people that if you're looking for all-in-one audio, this might be it for you for either live streaming, podcasting, or like I say, product review like I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.